Timone Yachts followers, welcome back to the 5 stars yachting brokerage world with one question this time. So it's finally summer and you're finally having your deserved boating vacation, and so you rather have that vacation in full summer on a motor yacht with a cockpit this small in favor of one of those traditional salon this big, or maybe you rather in summer have your motor yacht vacation onto a boat that have a salon this small in favor of this. We may talk about the fantastic transom configuration, we may talk about the side garage, we may talk about a 30 plus square meter of the sky deck, we may talk about the interior cabins, 4 of them, all of them with ensuite in a fantastic Italian style, modern, contemporary, delicate design, but at the end of the day, we're gonna end up talking about this, because this cockpit here is where you may spend the 90% of your time in your next boating vacation. Welcome on board, Sherpa 80, and take care.